Welcome to alembicvidya.com. This is the Manager Manual. This manual will help managers in understanding the different areas and features of the instance so that the same can move around adequately and find ways into the right places. Let's begin. When you will log in with your credentials, you will be redirected to your dashboard. The dashboard consists of the following elements: the user drop-down menu, which has the alerts option, the message box, the profile page and the logout option. The header menu items, which includes your dashboard, the record of learning tab, the team details, reports, performance report, and find learning or course catalog. If you scroll down a bit, you will find a left side panel, which consists of some informational blocks showing information about the last course accessed, messages, latest badges earned, and the news and announcements block. The central panel consists of informational blocks showing information about team progress in the report manager and the current learning topics under the heading My Learning Topics. Let's further explore the user drop-down menu. This menu consists of the following links: My Profile, which will take you to your profile page; the Alerts, which will take you to the list of all the alerts and notifications; and the Message will take you to your message box wherein you can search for contacts and add the same to your contact list or interact with your peers and other people on the instance. The header menu items. The dashboard brings you to your dashboard, which is this screen. The record of learning will take you to the detailed report of all the assigned learnings. The team will take you to the list of team members along with details on the last login details, number of courses started, number of courses completed. The reports will take you to two kinds of reports: the course-wise score and the user trend. The performance will take you to the My Course Completion report. This report enlists the completion status and date related to the courses you are enrolled in. The Find Learning will take you to the course catalog page. The left side panel. The last course access block shows that the user last accessed this course. It also shows the progress and the last access date of the same. The latest badges. This block shows the badges that the user has earned. These badges can be related to learning, which is automatically assigned as per the criteria, or can be related to the job performance manually given by the manager. The messages block shows the recent messages that the user has received. There is also a link at the bottom of the box that takes the user directly to the message box. The news and announcement block shows all the site announcements related to company, services, learning, and other activities. The dashboard central panel. The report manager will take you to two following reports. The course-wise score. This report shows the course-wise details of team members along with the completion status and the completion date of each course assigned to team members. The user trend report, which shows the trend of users on the basis of number of completed and started courses. My Learning Topics. This block enlists the courses that the user is enrolled in. Right, for example, here we have Grooming Female, which is in progress, and Grooming Male course, which is not yet started. Let's dive deeper into the profile page option. This page shows the user information, which include user details like basic profiler information and the profile edit option, job assignments, which could be related to your position, department in the organization, and the reporting manager, My Learning, which is again the record of learning, the course detail, which shows the enrolled in courses along with their links, the miscellaneous block, which shows the subscribed or accessible forum posts and discussions. The reports block, which shows detail on completion criteria of enrolled in courses, and the browser session reports, which show details on login, last access, and IP address. The administration block, which shows the preferences setup, which allows the user to configure his or her profile, password, language, subscribed forums, text editor, messaging system, and badges. The private files option, which allows you to manage this area, which can be used for uploading and managing a set of files that will remain private to the user. The Login Activity tab, which shows the first access and last access on the site. Now let's explore the Course Catalog or the Find Learning tab. This page enlists the courses, displays the start date and content type present, along with the search bar. There are filters available that can be used to filter the courses by activity types, tags, and module types. For example, here we have a course named Grooming Male, which starts on the date 28 December 2017 and has the following content types: a certificate, a feedback, a label, a file, and a SCORM package. Now finally, let's dig in to a course page. You can either go to the course from here or go back to your dashboard. The course page is inclusive of the following elements: the left side panel, which shows the upcoming events block, which displays events from the calendar in a list form. The course completion status, which shows what needs to be done to complete the course. The More Details link can also take you to the events detail page or the detailed report of your course. Latest badges shows the badges that the user has earned. These badges can be related to learning, which is automatically assigned as per the criteria, or related to the job performance given manually by the manager. The content panel. This is where the learning happens. It enlists the learning assets, each with its own completion criteria. Following are the key learning assets that you will be accessing. The file. This will either be a PDF or slide, and the completion will be dependent on viewing it. The SCORM. This will be an interactive content package with some embedded assessment or quiz. The feedback. This activity consists of feedback questions. Answering these will help us in refining the content and administration workflows. On completion of the learning, primarily dependent on the completion of your SCORM or scoring threshold grade on the quiz, you will be awarded with a certificate. That is all.